Every color, every shadow, every shape and form you see, believe it or not, they don't exist outside of you, but within you. When you glance at a cherry tree in blossom, it's not your eyes that are seeing the flush of pink. When you watch the sun set, painting the sky with a riot of oranges and purples, it's not your eyes that capture this breathtaking spectacle. No, it's something far deeper, far more complex. Your eyes, they are like black holes, these beautiful, enigmatic features of the universe. Just as a black hole pulls in everything around it, your eyes draw in light, sucking in billions of photons every second. Photons that have bounced off everything around you. The complex layers of your eyes, the cornea, the pupil, the lens, they focus this light, concentrate it onto your retina at the back of the eye, where a dense carpet of light-sensitive cells are waiting. Here, in this tiny but critical part of your eyes, the magic begins. The light-sensitive cells, the rods for monochrome vision in low light, and the cones for color vision and detail convert these photons into electrical signals. These signals are then sent on an extraordinary journey along the optic nerve towards the back of your brain. But the journey is only part of the story. Once in the brain, in the visual cortex located in the occipital lobe, these signals are translated, processed, and pieced together like a complex puzzle. It's your brain that takes this information and constructs the images, filling in details, attributing colors, giving depth and texture to what was mere data, mere electrical impulses. And thus, what we perceive as seeing is really the interpretation of this data by our brain. This is the essence of our reality, not an external world seen by our eyes, but an internal world constructed by our brain, a symphony of light and data. We are merely spectators in this grand spectacle, in this complex interplay of light and shadow. Our perception of reality, our understanding of the world, is but a construct of our mind.
Here are 3 tips to becoming a pro player in Raid Shadow Legends. Number 1. Choose Kale as your starter champion. While all 4 starters are decent champions, Kale has great poison abilities that can deal some serious damage to the clan boss. Now there's someone I'd love to have on my team. Tip number 2. Don't be too quick to use rare champions as food. Rare, epic, and legendary champions can become faction guardians when you have duplicates of them. Guardians will boost the stats of other champions of the same faction, and they can still be used in battle. What a game changer! A game changer. Tip number 3. New player, tap the missions button at the bottom left and follow the progress missions. These missions are designed to introduce you to every aspect of the game and to help you progress fast. Happy raiding!
At Weiler Plastic Surgery, we love finding more reasons for you to choose us. That's why we're giving new patients $100 off any non-surgical treatment when they spend $350 or more. Register today and take advantage of this exclusive one-time offer.
Dive deeper into the realms of symbolism, and you will uncover the paths of light, the sigil of Lucifer. A symbol shrouded in mystery and misconceptions, offers profound insights. Contrary to common belief, Lucifer isn't the embodiment of evil, but a bearer of light. Luci, in Latin, signifying light. The light isn't merely an illumination, but a metaphor for knowledge, a key to understanding the universe. Now, consider the pineal gland, often referred to as the third eye. This small, pine cone-shaped gland deep within your brain is believed to be the bridge between the physical and spiritual world. In many spiritual traditions, it is considered the physical counterpart of the third eye, the eye that sees beyond the material world. It is the pineal gland that receives light indirectly, decoding it, adding another dimension to our comprehension of reality. Alternatively, consider the crook and flail, symbols of divine authority in ancient Egypt. Typically seen in the hands of pharaohs, the crook, shaped like a shepherd's staff, represents guidance and care, while the flail, with its 3 strands, represents the abundance and fertility of the land. Now, picture these symbols flipped upside down. The handle of the crook, pointing upwards, represents the path the light takes as it enters your eyes and ascends to your brain. These strands of the flail fan out, much like the dispersion of light and information into various parts of your brain. This dispersion helps in processing and interpreting the information carried by the light, giving rise to a perception of reality. Finally, ponder upon the Eye of Horus, a symbol from ancient Egypt representing protection, royal power, and good health. Resembling the structure of the brain and the eye, it symbolizes how light is perceived, processed, and translated into the image of reality within us. From the sigil of Lucifer to the crook and flail, these symbols convey a profound truth. Light, as it enters and ascends within us, is intrinsic to shaping our understanding of the universe. It's not just an external phenomenon, but a process occurring within, painting the grand tapestry of our perception and knowledge. Have you ever stopped to consider how much of the universe you truly see? When you gaze upon the world, you're not seeing the entire picture. Instead, you are privy to a minuscule fraction, less than 0.0035% of the electromagnetic spectrum, which ranges from gamma rays to radio waves. This sliver of the spectrum, which your eyes can perceive, is known as visible light. Despite its minuscule fraction, it paints the vibrant, colorful world you perceive around you. Within this spectrum of visible light, there's a plethora of colors we see, all due to differing wavelengths, from the shorter, high-energy wavelengths of violet and blue to the longer, lower-energy wavelengths of red. It's a marvel of nature, a demonstration of the incredible adaptability and capacity of the human mind to interpret this data and construct reality. But the universe is more than just what our eyes can see. It extends far beyond into realms unseen, into energies unfelt. One such unseen phenomenon is the electromagnetic toroidal field. A torus is a powerful energy pattern that forms a self-sustaining vortex, a constant flow of energy moving in and out of itself, forming a 3D donut-shaped pattern. From the microscopic world of atoms to the immense scale of galaxies, everything exists within these toroidal fields. They are the framework upon which the universe hangs, a blueprint of creation. Much like how your brain interprets the sliver of visible light to create a mental image of reality, the toroidal fields guide the energy flow, shaping the unseen universe. Every bit of the universe, including you, me, and everything we experience, echoes this fundamental pattern of creation, reinforcing the Kabbalian's assertion: the all is mind, the universe is mental. What we see is not the world itself, but a mental image of it, constructed within our mind, framed by these universal patterns. Consider this for a moment. Our very essence as humans, hue symbolizes light, and man is short for manifestation. Therefore, as human, we are fundamentally light beings manifested into physical form. Every atom of our being, every fiber of our existence, is a dance of light particles, a symphony of photons. Our bodies, our minds, the world we perceive, all are physical manifestations of this light. Dive deeper and you'll see that this light is more than just illumination. It is a representation of the elements that constitute our existence. The 5 elements in various ancient philosophies: earth, water, air, fire, and ether, also known as spirit or ment, representing the mind. Each element, each aspect of our physical existence is but a manifestation of the mind, birthed by the light within us. This concept permeates every facet of our lives, even our societal structures. Consider government. At its roots, to govern is to control or direct, and ment is mind. To govern the ment is, therefore, to guide the collective mind, to shape reality at a societal level. All actions, decisions, our entire world is formed in the crucible of the mind, shaped by the light within us and manifested into our collective reality. This, then, is our existence, a dance of light, an ebb and flow of elements, a constant manifestation of the mind. We are, in the pure sense, children of light, shaped by the mind, eternally manifesting our unique reality. Picture the universe's grand cosmic dance, an orchestra of planets in the celestial symphony. Now, imagine their tangible counterparts on Earth, each planet connected with a specific metal. Sounds fantastical, doesn't it? Yet, this is a correlation deeply rooted in ancient alchemical traditions. 7 traditional planets, 7 noble metals, a perfect symmetry. Each celestial body an embodiment of a specific vibrational frequency of light corresponds to a terrestrial metal, a physical manifestation of that light. Just as a prism refracts white light into a spectrum of colors, the universe refracts its divine light into various manifestations, creating a cosmic spectrum of sorts. Picture the sun, a brilliant ball of burning gas, radiating warmth and life-giving energy. It crystallizes into gold on Earth, a metal known for its radiance and permanence. Similarly, envision Mars, the red planet, associated with iron, a metal known for its strength and resilience. And then there's Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, which corresponds to tin, a metal often associated with flexibility and expansion. This is not just an intriguing correlation, but a profound concept. Each of these metals, in their purest form, is a manifestation of light. They exist as light in its feminine form, the nurturing, life-giving energy. Light crystallized into these tangible physical forms is a testament to the universe's diverse and powerful manifestations. So, as you gaze upon a golden ring or perhaps a tin can, remember, you're not merely looking at a metal, but a physical embodiment of the universe's light, a testament to the cosmic dance that's playing out in the grand theater of existence. Imagine standing at the precipice of creation, the moment before the first light pierced the canvas of the cosmos. Now, recall the phrase, "Let there be light." It isn't merely a statement, but a testament to the sheer power of thought and expression of divine will. Ponder on the profound implications of this phrase. It tells us that light, the fundamental building block of our reality, was willed into existence. It is a product not of chance or randomness, but of conscious intent, a thought birthed from the divine mind. This divine light does not exist in a singular form. It vibrates, it dances, it changes. Like the strings of a celestial harp, each vibration, each frequency of light sings a different tune, a unique aspect of reality. Lower vibrations of this divine light manifest as physical matter, giving form to the universe, the planets, even our bodies. Then there are higher vibrational frequencies, so fast and energetic they transform matter back into its original form, light. This is the cycle of existence, an eternal dance of light and matter, birthed from divine thought, oscillating between form and formlessness. Imagine the power of such a thought, capable of creating universes, of giving birth to light and life. Each of us wields a fraction of this power. Every thought we have, every intention we set, is a ripple in the cosmic ocean, a vibrational frequency capable of shaping our personal reality. As you navigate through your life, remember this divine dance. Understand the power of your thoughts, for they are your personal "let there be light." Each thought, each intention is a unique frequency of light, shaping your reality, manifesting your world. And so, we find ourselves in a universe created from thought, shaped by light, and governed by the mind. A reality isn't a physical construct, but a mental projection, born of light and crystallized into form. We are all light beings, taking physical form and living within the mind of the divine, each of us a unique manifestation of the universe's infinite potential.